Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I've been thinking a lot about the differences between living in the city and in the countryside. I grew up in the city, but recently I moved to a small town in the countryside. I'd love to share my feelings with you. What do you think about life in the city versus life in the country?
That's an interesting topic, Alice. I grew up in a small village and later moved to the city for work. I have experienced both ways of life, and I believe each has its own benefits and challenges.
I agree. In the city, everything is fast and busy. There are many shops, restaurants, museums, and theaters. I enjoyed the excitement and variety. For example, I could easily visit a new restaurant or attend a concert almost every weekend.
Yes, the city has a lot to offer. I love the convenience public transport, modern hospitals, and many educational opportunities. But sometimes the noise and pollution can be overwhelming.
Exactly. When I was in the city, I often felt stressed by the constant traffic and the crowd. Now, living in the countryside, I enjoy the peace and fresh air. The landscape is green, and the sky is very clear.
That is one of the best parts of rural life. In the countryside, the environment is much cleaner, and you have plenty of nature around you. I remember waking up to the sound of birds and seeing fields and forests instead of tall buildings and busy streets.
Yes, I love waking up to nature. It makes me feel calm and relaxed. However, I do miss some of the conveniences of city life. For example, I sometimes find it hard to get a variety of services or entertainment options in the countryside.
That is true. In the city, you have many cultural events and a variety of shops. But the countryside offers a strong sense of community. People know each other, and neighbors often help one another.
I have noticed that. In my new town, everyone is friendly. I often see my neighbors working together in the garden or sharing homemade food. It makes the community feel like one big family.
I remember that from my childhood. In the village, people gathered for festivals and local markets. They celebrated traditional music and dances, and everyone shared stories. That closeness is hard to find in a big city.
Yes, I miss that warmth sometimes, but the city also had its charm. I liked how diverse the city was. People from many cultures lived there, and you could learn a lot about different traditions and foods.
That's true. Diversity in the city is a great advantage. You have many opportunities to meet people with different backgrounds. Try various cuisines and learn new languages.
Exactly. I enjoyed trying new dishes at international restaurants and visiting museums that showed art from around the world. However, sometimes I felt that the fast pace of the city did not allow me to relax or enjoy simple moments.
I understand. In the countryside, life is slower, and you have more time to enjoy the small things, like a walk in the park or a quiet afternoon reading a book. It is also easier to appreciate nature.
Yes, I now take long walks in the fields and sometimes sit by a lake to think. It is a very peaceful way to spend my day. But there are some challenges too. For instance, public transport in the countryside is not as frequent, and I sometimes have to drive to get to town.
That is a common drawback. Rural areas often have limited public services and entertainment options. Many people in the countryside drive their own cars, which can be expensive and sometimes isolating.
True, I miss the ease of using a subway or a bus that runs every few minutes. In the countryside, I must plan my trips carefully.
And if you need to visit a large store or a specialized service, you might have to travel to the city. But on the positive side, the countryside offers a closer connection to nature and a healthier lifestyle.
I agree. I have started growing my own vegetables in a small garden. I find it very satisfying to eat food that I have grown myself.
That is wonderful, Alice. Gardening is very therapeutic. I grew up helping in the garden, and it taught me a lot about hard work and patience.
Yes, it is a great learning experience. I also enjoy the seasonal changes here. In the city, everything is controlled. But in the countryside, you can see the natural cycle of life, the blooming flowers in spring, the green trees in summer, the colorful leaves in autumn, and the quiet, snowy winter.
That is one of the most beautiful aspects of rural life. Nature changes with the seasons, and each season has its own charm. I especially love autumn. The colors are amazing, and the air is fresh.
I love autumn too. The countryside becomes like a painting with reds, oranges, and yellows. It makes me feel nostalgic and inspired.
I think the differences between city and countryside life show that there is no one perfect way to live. Each place has its benefits and its limitations.
Exactly. I have learned that my happiness depends on finding balance. I appreciate the energy and opportunities of the city, but I also need the calm and beauty of the countryside.
That is a very wise view, Alice. I feel that by experiencing both, we can understand what really matters to us. For me, it is the simplicity and close community of the countryside. For you, it might be the diversity and excitement of the city.
Yes, and I think our experiences can help us grow as people. I am learning to enjoy both environments and use them to improve my quality of life.
I agree. I try to spend my weekends in the countryside, even though I work in the city. It refreshes me and gives me new energy for the week.
That is a good idea. I plan to visit the city more often now, too, to catch up with old friends and enjoy the cultural events there.
It sounds like we are both finding ways to balance our lives. Life is not only about choosing one place over the other, it is about enjoying the best of both worlds.
I couldn't agree more, John. Each place offers unique experiences that can enrich our lives.
Thank you for this conversation, Alice. Talking about our experiences has helped me understand the value of both lifestyles.
Thank you, John. I enjoyed our chat as well. It makes me feel grateful for all the experiences I have had, and I look forward to exploring more of what life has to offer.
Let's keep in touch, and maybe we can plan a trip together to visit a countryside town or a big city event sometime soon.
That sounds wonderful, John. I would love to travel and explore with a friend who understands both sides of life.
Great! I'll send you a message soon and we can discuss our plans. Until then, enjoy your day and the beauty of your new home.
You too, John. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.